it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game here with another reaction. Today, guys, I'm there with one of my favorite female artists, them. Yes, I said it. One of my favorite female artists, them. That girl that can't put her foot wrong. And even if she put her foot wrong, it's not wrong in my eyes, because that girl is just talented, bro. And any little thing we see her go up on social media pertaining to she, whether it's negative, I don't, me always pray her talent, because her talent just different, dog. I don't really see them girl that mix up in a fucking idea. You see me? Yeah. Shaneil Muir, you me attack. Yes, mama. You, Buckler, a very talented female. I love you, girl. Shaneil Muir and Jiggy, try again. Let's go. I think Jiggy producer upon this. I don't think he's singing on this. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way. You can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Yo, Jiggy, you even understand?
I'll find the video.
I need that rhythm, man. You even know what you do. Oh, yeah.
Right time in Jiggy.
My life. I'ma say, my life, yeah. My life, yeah. Try on my feels, I'ma try again. Right now, me, I work for me, I yourself. Sometimes me look tiring. I'm not no.
Hold on, man. Put this up. Ladies, one gentleman, you can take a page out of the girl that book, you know. Literally, you can take a page out of her book and just pray her lyrics, them, bro. Like, just pray. Nah, give up. She try and she fail and she try again.
Yo, Jiggy, you even understand?
Big up Jiggy, dad. I make a hit back in that music.
Oh, yeah. My life. I'ma say, my life, yeah. My life, yeah. Try on my feels, I'ma try again. Right now, me, I work for me, I yourself. Sometimes me look tiring. I'm not know what I'ma do life. What make life a beat me with a wire belt someday.
Me don't know what me do life. What make life a beat me with a wire belt. Like, what me do? What me do in a real life? Is it the bad blessing of my parents that drop down for me? In a fair case, it must be her mother, because you don't see what go on social media where her mother go on with one bag of fuckery. You see me?
Tiring, I'm not know what I'ma do life. What make life a beat me with a wire belt. Some days me up, other days I don't give a. Shaneil, you can't pour from an empty cup. Me identify triggers, and then my cut off for come in my life.
Identify triggers. And then me cut off a couple. Yo, mama, you see what I'm ready?
You even understand?
Yeah, really, mama.
Oh,
share.
I need that rhythm, man. You even know what you do.
You know, see no one back a skin out song and pussy this and that. Yes, you have a couple of them, but and then song your mama. When you wanna late, mama, ready?
Try on my feels, I'ma try again. Right now, me, I work for me, I yourself. Sometimes me look tiring. I'm not know what I'ma do life. What make life a beat me with a wire belt. Some days me up, other days I don't give up. Shaneil, you can't pour from an empty cup. Me identify triggers, and then my cut off for come. I'ma say in my life, can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, I'll be alright with.
Yeah, she said she can't make choices. She can't make her choices ruin her life, yo. Pre that, no man. Wanna pre that, no man?
Can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, I'll be alright with Christ. I'll be alright. Me say in my life, can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, I'll be alright. It's me, myself, and I. Money couldn't change me. It changed people around me. My mother dissed me because she couldn't clone me.
See there? Money couldn't change me, change people around me. My mother dissed me because she couldn't clone me. What? I'm saying no, I know every
Yo, Jiggy,
woman who give birth
you
to mother, you know.
understand? Oh,
I know
me that ready, man.
I know every woman who give birth to mother, you know.
Oh, yeah,
That me I try telling you, you know, bro.
my life.
Some of them are crosses. Yeah, act like say people they walk
try
on
my
me. I
feel
wanna
some
bring me.
try again. Right now, me I work for me I yourself.
Yeah.
Sometimes me look tiring. I'm not know what I'ma do life. What make life a beat me with a wire belt. Some days me up. Other days I don't give up. Shaneil, you can't pour from an empty cup. Me identify triggers and then my cut two for cut. I'm saying my life. I'm saying my life can't make my.
And me like the fact say the pass away go on with she and her mother. She put it in her song, dog.
And then my cut two for cut. I'm
Real
saying my
musician.
life. I'm saying my life
life.
can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, I'll be alright. With Christ I'll be alright. Me saying my life. I'm saying my life can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, I'll be alright. It's me, myself, and I. Money couldn't change me. It changed people around me. My mother dissed me because she couldn't clone me. Fame risky, more while I feel like in a real life, I wish nobody never know me. You know I feel.
And that's why you see producer like DFK and them, and they never show them face. You see me? Cause fame is a fuck up thing, dog.
I feel like in a real life, I wish nobody never know me. You know I feel. Find out family no real. You know I feel. No matter what you do for them, it's not enough. Mount a airport floor, I'ma sleep. On left on tour and I lose sleep. Yeah, see the money and the fame, but my stress and depressed, and nobody can see.
Them always see the blood clot glory and can't picture the story or even see the story. Cause them not dead there. Some people call you, them they even ask you, how are you doing? How is your day going? You eat from morning, your kids them alright. Nobody no business about them something there. Man, I call yo, what you can do for me? What you can do for yourself? Well, you get the same 24 hours not a day. You see me? Yeah. So when you see some people, I live them best life, don't fight it. Don't bad mind it, because some people go through hell and forward back just for live the life there. You see me?
Them is not enough. Mount a airport floor, I'ma sleep. On left on tour and I lose sleep. Yeah, see the money and the fame, but my stress and depressed, and nobody can see it. Breaking on my left for myself, I'm stress on myself and make everybody happy. When my stress them come, I just got sick. I'm saying my life. I'm saying my life can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, I'll be alright. With Christ I'll be alright. Me saying my life. I'm saying my life can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, I'll be alright. It's me, myself, and I. Try on my feel, so I'ma try again. Right now, me I work for me I yourself. Sometimes me look tiring. I'm not know what I'ma do life. What make life a beat me with a wire belt. Some days me up. Other days I don't give a. Shaneil, you can't pour from an empty cup. Me identify triggers and then my cut two for cut. I'm saying my life. I'm saying my life can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, be alright. With Christ I'll be alright. I'm saying my life. I'm saying my life can't make my choices ruin my life. Oh, be alright. It's me, myself, and I. I'll be alright.
Definitely,
be
mama.
Myself and I. Be myself and I. Be myself and be myself and be myself and I. Jiggy, be myself and I.
Put a smile on your face, mama. You will be alright. You will be alright. Definitely will be alright, mama. Box. Yes, that is it. You have proper resistance, mama. I love it. You see me? Very positive female. I love her. I love Shaneil Muir. That no joke. Great artist. Great talent, bro. With Christ, everything will be alright, mama. You see me? Jiggy, big up yourself. For make Shaneil Muir get rid of me. Vice pan it. Couldn't find a better time. You see me? Shaneil Muir is a great artist. Shaneil Muir, anything I got through, mama, continue to pray. Continue to pray and continue to put out your positive work. You see me? Yeah, that is my advice to you, mama. You are stronger than you think. You are stronger than you think, mama. You see me? Don't watch the negative people there, mama. Just continue doing what you're doing. You see me? There's people out there that really loves you and support you for you, Shaneil. You see me? Yeah. Continue, keep your head high. Love you. No joke. Love you, mama. Alright? This time I'm gonna leave the one still, guys. If you enjoy that reaction and want to see more from your G, there's some videos floating about on your screen. You can click on them and do the do. See me? Alright. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.